Another Raymond. This time it's an ECR30TT. Alright, serial numbers right there. Okay, so problem with this is when it's driving, it's jerking a lot to the point that, oh no, it kind of feels like it's a gear issue. You know what, the best way to describe it here is to show you. See the whole motor jogging around. This is what's happening to the wheel. See how it's spinning. Wait for that to stop. Okay, so when this forklift is on the floor, you know, it kind of feels like there's the gears are missing some teeth, you know, but it could also be from the encoder bearing not providing the right signal to the computer, right? And to me, the first test I do to figure out it's going to be an encoder signal issue or if it's going to be a mechanical issue is I take the connector, right, from the encoder bearing going to the computer. I know it's going to code out for sure because it lost its signal. It's not going to let you run on high speed, but if it runs smoother, because the computer is going to be running on a program and not rely on the encoder signal, it should run smoother. But if it was a mechanical problem, then for sure it's going to be running the same way. Let's test it right now. Nothing. See the wheels. Stop because you don't want to run it more. But it did run smoother. So to me, that would be an indication that this is going to be a signal issue coming from the encoder bearing. Okay, motor's out. See the gears. I'm going to try to spin it. See no jumpiness in that gear, man. Everything's solid. I mean, the gear oil is a bit dirty, that's for sure. See some wear, but that's normal. All right, but we open up the top. This is where the encoder bearing is. That was your encoder bearing. All right, so you can see some pieces of it right there. And let me show you. Gears on the other side, it's perfectly fine. You can see that. Right? Nothing wrong with this side. So all the teeth are intact. I guess we're just gonna have to replace that encoder bearing. Okay. See, now that we got the motor rebuilt, everything's put back together, cleaned it up. Okay, so that's going to be the time to test it again. See the movement in the motor. Try to drive it. So even now. Get the wheel. No more jitterness. Okay. So all that from a bad encoder. So we call this one a fix.